Natalie, it's payday. You're really cute, guys. So show me the outfit. Come here, see. Listen, it's payday today. You know it's payday today. It was the 23rd, so normally I used to get paid on the 25th. No? And on the 23rd, it was now Friday night. Then if the 21st fall on a weekend, then you pay on a Friday. Hey, dan negat jong. Because I never had enough money when I moved to Joburg. It was always like I stayed in someone's garage that they made an apartment of that I rented. And here by the middle of the month, and the geld nou klaar. Then I eat oats. Ek maak my gonga oats in die oggend. Stamp my dik van die oats. Gaat ek werk toe. Gonga. Gaat ek werk toe. And when I get at work, there are people there, you know, other people don't know you don't have the money. Then they go, hey, because it was a nice office job. Hey guys, let's go for lunch. And say, ek net, oh no guys, I've got work to catch up on. My maag is leeg, ek kan nie saam julle gaan nie, en my wallet is ook leeg. Ek gooi my 2 dik stukke water, en loop ek deur die dag. Yet night, weer oats, straight kooi toe. You have to eat and go sleep immediately. You can't think about it. But on a payday, on a Friday like today, ooh, my spirit is reg. But I used to treat myself on a payday. You know what I used to do? I used to go to the Pick n Pay around the corner, koop ek vir my 'n rotisserie chicken. 'n Rotisserie chicken nou, en brood met acha. Ek sit daar in die huis. Vandaan, as ek by die huis kom, ek stamp my dik van daai onder. Ek stamp my dik.
So maar oor 2 dae.
No, I come home with that chicken, I put him down. He's still hot, né? I go take my clothes off, want ek weet dit gaan nou neukie binnekant. As sop, as hoendersop wat spak. True story. What did you do on your payday? What was your big thing? But you lived with your mother that time when you started working. When you live with your mother, she's already cooking. Grown people must have to work with money. What were you doing? So it wasn't food. Jy was honger. Jy ken nie van honger die nie. Hier maar op. Maar ek weet nie hoe is dit nie, maar ons was altyd in die skit gewees. I once went with my friend with a 70 rand to a rugby game. We got free tickets. Toe ons huis toe kom, man, paralytic. Ons en die manne langs ons het chombies gemaak met hulle en toe drink ons maar saam. But you know how it is when you broke. You find a way. What was your thing? Did you have a thing?
Not really payday, I must pay my bills.
Ja, Edgars en Foschini payamente. Edgars en Foschini, wat jy skoene gekoop wat jy nie kan betaal nie.
Ek wil klere koop.
Ja, priorities.